Hello. Today, we're going to learn how to import Blender models into Unity. So, let's get started. First, we go to File, Export, and then FBX. We create a new folder for our model. The next process took me a while. I'm going to speed it up. In here, we go to UV editing. We look for our textures. If you don't know where are they, you can save them in new location. Otherwise, just check where they are. Then we go to Unity. We drag our FBX model and then we drop it in the scene. After that, we drag our textures. Most of the time, Unity fixes it automatically. But if that is not the case, don't worry. I got you. We create a new material, and then we link our textures inside the material. And after we are done, we drag the material on the desired part of the model. And that's it. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching.